Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. Y'all know when you come to my channel, we jump straight into the video. So I'm starting off with my hair. It is not really that fresh, but that's okay. What we're going to be doing today is pretty much just applying a headband wig. You guys know this is the newest hair trend, a super easy protective style to get up and go. So what I like to do is, if I don't have my hair already cornrowed, I will go ahead and put my natural hair in a quick little ponytail. So I'm taking a little bit of gel. If you guys are curious about what I'm using, I don't remember the gel name. I don't even think it was Eco Styler. I literally have no clue what type of gel it was, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail at the nape of my neck, so as close to the bottom of your neck as possible, just so that it lays not in like an awkward spot. Lucky for me, this is curly hair, so you won't even notice the little pony. So obviously, if you're gonna be doing straight hair and you're going for a more silky look, you would want to make sure that you have at least 2 cornrows or some type of like style that's going to allow you to really like lay your hair down. For me, of course, I am going to go ahead and style up my little baby hairs. If this is something you don't care to do, go ahead and skip the step. Don't feel no type of way about it, okay? To each his own. This is a judge-free zone here. And then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of tie them down for maybe about 3 to 5 minutes, and yeah, just kind of show you exactly what it is that I have. And of course, all the details will be listed down in my description box below as usual. You guys know I love Julia hair, so I am bringing you guys another video from them. At this point in my life, I think I'm only working with companies that I absolutely love. So at this point, you guys know you can depend on me for the reviews and things like that. So I'm definitely going to kind of get into this a little bit more. You guys can see we have a ton of headbands, so many that I found one on the inside of the wig. So thank you, Julia, for that. And then of course, fresh out of the gate, the hair is super duper soft. I was surprised at how thick the unit was. Like usually the headband wigs are kind of a little shy on the hair, but it was really, really thick. The hair was really soft and smooth. I was going to go ahead and completely soak it down with water, but you guys can see how loosely textured the curls were. You guys, this is human hair, so you can actually straighten it if you want to. You can blow dry it out if you want to do a blown out look with some curls. Like there's so many different options. Of course, for me, I'm more for the protective styling, so I'm really going to just kind of keep the unit in its natural state and kind of do what I need to, because I have so many of these units now. And so of course, I'm just showing you what it looks like. Of course, you can put it up in a ponytail. It kind of acts as like a half wig, so you can style it up in whichever way you want to. You guys know most of the time I don't actually show my edges when I wear these wigs, but I felt like it was curly hair, so I'm like, let's pick a headband, let's show a little baby hairs, and let's see what we're gonna do. Now y'all know my head is big, right? But let me show you this pearl headband first. So it did kind of fit a little awkward on me, I'm not gonna lie. I definitely liked the way that the headband looked itself, but then it was like, for some reason, the way that it sat on my head was a little strange. But anyway, the hair didn't have a smell or anything like that. It was not like shedding or tangling. You guys can see it's really shiny. It is a 20-inch, of course, deep wave. You guys, this is a cute. I'm always wondering, like, if I color these units, what is it gonna look like? So let me know if that's something you want to see. Like, y'all, first of all, look at that struggle trying to get it over my head. Just think about this before you actually put this on. Like, maybe don't do your makeup first. Do your hair first and then your makeup. That's kind of hard to do when I'm filming YouTube videos, because I want to look polished, right? I don't want to have to go back and do a full face of makeup. Like, but anyway. I was loving the headband. Of course, it's a more of a silky texture. They do have a bunch of different styles if that's something you're interested in, but this is not even about the headband. This is about the headband wig. So let's get into that. And like I said, you guys can already see, if I was to pick apart the curls, the hair would obviously get bigger and bigger, but to me, it already looked like it had been laid down, you know, and styled and molded. I wanted to show you guys that you can actually wear a hat if you want to, just to kind of switch it up a little bit. Like, you have options with these headband wigs. It definitely replaces your typical lace unit, so keep that in mind. Leave any comments or questions down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.